So today we will be learning about the how to handle multiple windows in Selenium, and we will be covering these get window handle and get window handles. Okay, so we will be covering that. So for that, I'm opening this URL. Okay, I'm sending you this URL in the chat. You can open it and check that. These are the 3 or 4 links. Okay, 4 links you see. You don't need to log in into this page right now. We are just handling these links. If some in your project you have this link and it is opening in the next tab. Okay, it is opening in the next tab. So all these 3, all these all these 4 you say links are opening in the different tabs. So how to handle that? Okay, so we have handled switch to that particular tab. I mean alert message, all those things we have covered, but we have not covered the things which are in the different tabs. If how to switch from one tab to another and use these contents. So we will learn how to do that today. Okay. So you understood what is the concept of our today's work?
Yeah,
Yes.
to go through the different tabs.
Different tabs, which is linked to your project tab. Okay. Suppose this is your project and you have different tabs. And if you're clicking, how you, with the help of Selenium, how you'll move these tabs, how you'll handle all these tabs. If you have opening a new window, or if you're opening a new tab, how to handle that.
Yeah.
Okay, so this we will be learning today. Okay. So for that, I'll be opening one, creating one class, which I will name as new class as window switch. Okay, so we are switching the window switch. I include the main method and I just finish it. Okay. So inside that, I'll just copy from and this is the URL you need to open. Okay. Now, this is your parent window. Okay. So, just need to understand that this is your parent window. Okay. And whatever is opening after this is your child window. Okay. So, what you will do, you will go to this particular site and inspect it. You have to click first, right? To open it in the next window, you have to click it. So what you will do, you will see the first you have to check the path or locator to click that particular link. Okay, so this is um, suppose LinkedIn, Facebook. So you have to find out the locator for this particular button or whatever link you can say. Okay. So this is the given. So there is no locator available. Okay. So now what you have to do, you have to either check with here or you create your own XPath. Okay. So here XPath is not available. You know, relative XPath is also not properly given. So what we will do, we'll create our own XPath. How to create our own XPath? By this is what? This is an image or an what it is?
Tag.
It's a path, right? I'll just keep it here. It will be more visible because it has. So if I use this here, okay, so it is pointing to here. So I'll just try this XPath and see whether it is clicking it or not.
Hmm.
Go to Eclipse, write driver dot find element by dot XPath. Dot click. Okay. So we'll just check that whether this is working or not. Okay, fine. This is a very important topic. So we need to, okay, focus it properly. So it's not clicking, I guess. Not clicking on this social media. Let's just check what is the error. So here is the error that unable to locate the element. We'll try to give some weight. If it is if it work, then fine. Whatever. We have given implicit weight. No, we'll give thread dot sleep here. Thread dot sleep 3 seconds. Okay. So we need to add throw declaration. Just save this and run this again. Then it is giving some error, right? So what we have to do, we'll just close these open browser. Close this also. Okay. So what we will give, there is one way of doing or finding the XPath, which is image open bracket @ alt equal to, there is one, this is an orange HRM, right?
I think it was down also.
Is someone saying something? Online is supposed to.
Are you looking for class or ID?
No, I'm looking for um for a name of this particular LinkedIn. LinkedIn in orange, something like that. Orange HRM group. So class name. Some name which I can use it for creating my XPath. Because it is not giving you the proper. I've seen, but I forgot. Just a minute, huh? Just a minute. There is some class which is there. Orange HRM. These are the things. So here you see Facebook, Twitter, okay, and YouTube. Where is this? LinkedIn. Why LinkedIn is not showing? Okay, LinkedIn is above. So here it is pointing to LinkedIn. Okay. No. Let me try. From LinkedIn, right? It is not LinkedIn. No, it's not coming like this. Mhm. It is not image. Still image. Okay, yes. Yeah, or it could be like this. Mhm. So what it is pointing to? It is pointing to this change now, I guess. Just try to give this relative XPath whether it is working. Just try this. Oh, what I have done this. Here it is giving wrong. No, that's why it is not working. I'm switching to something else. Okay. No, no, no. It's correct only. No. It should work. No. No such argument. This is also not working. It's very big. Okay, we'll also put driver dot manage dot timeout or implicit wait duration dot of seconds. Okay, so we have done that, but XPath should be correct. Yes, just close this, and okay, let me check in batch 14 I have done now. So I'll just check there what XPath I have taken for multiple windows switch now. Just check. Okay, so here this is the XPath I took. Hmm, I'll check this configuration. It's not working for something has changed in the site, yeah? ahref. These are child windows. So this I have opened LinkedIn, and then I've opened Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. These are all the
Mhm.
okay. I've not copied the correct. Yes. So this is the correct way of writing. Okay, this href and this whole site. Okay. Okay. Now, everybody focus. Like I got the solution. Hmm?
Mhm. Mm.
So what I did was, this was the A. A is the link. For A link, you that is A is the tag name here, and
Yeah.
@href. Href is the link name. I have written the whole link, not any locator. I'm not using any locator right now, and the href is available here. So I have just kept the whole link in this href, and then just close the brackets. Okay, so this is working. So I'll just try in our um, program. Okay, so I'll just switch to this one, which we were doing. And now we'll try. Okay, so this is the XPath for particular LinkedIn no, that social media link, which is like this. So let's just try. Okay, so now it is opening into the another window. Okay, so we are
Yeah.
clear. Now
Mhm.
what we have to do, we have to open all the other social media links. Similarly, what we will do, we will write driver dot find element by dot xpath. So we need to create the xpath for this particular, for
Correct.
other Facebook also. So what we have
Okay.
to do, we just have to go in the Facebook. Here href is this. So what
Got it.
we will do, we'll just open this href, and then from here also we can copy. Control C, and then mm, just have to always check that whether you are entering the correct thing in the site first, and then only go for writing it to the script. Okay, so just copy this side and then paste it here. So it is giving you 1 of 1, and it is pointing to your desired site. Okay, now go to the program and then paste your XPath and dot click. Okay. Similarly, another driver dot find element by dot XPath. Okay. Then this is the Twitter, correct? So Twitter is okay. Just check that whether so 1 of 1. Why this is showing 2? Here it is 1 of 1. And if you point, it is pointing to the Twitter. So this is a correct XPath. Just copy and put it here. Dot click. Okay. Then the second, fourth one, driver dot find element by the last one is your YouTube. So YouTube also just same way. Just need to copy. So now if you execute, all the 4 links should be open. This is the, as I said, these are the child windows. Okay. These are the child windows. Just execute and your all the 4 windows should open. After that, we have to switch to the different windows that we will learn how to handle the different windows if you have opened in your project. So all the 4 windows have been opened. So now you have these 4 windows, these 5 windows. Now you have to switch it from one window to another. So how you will switch it? With the help of um, get window handle. Okay, so these are the properties available in the Selenium. So what you will do? Okay. Now we'll write driver dot get window handles. Okay, so because we have multiple windows, so we will choose get window handles, and we will store this in a set. Okay, we are using a set because we have handles, so we need to use our collection. So this is a one form of collection. We have learned about the links list. Sorry, we have learned about the list. List is also one of the collection, and set is also one of the collection. Here we have a string. Okay, so this is a type of string, and we will store it in. We are handling multiple uh, multiple windows. So we will be put, this is a user defined name. Okay, you have to import the set
Yeah.
from Java utils. Okay, because collection is a part, collection is a Java utils. Okay, so you have to use it from the Java. Okay, so this um, package will be added it in your application. Now the next step is, now this is a type of array we have created. Okay, so suppose we have 4 windows here. By clicking on links, we have one parent window and 4 child window. So how to cover all the windows, whatever we wanted to, how to go to different windows, we need to create a list also. Okay, so this is the array list we need to create. So list of array, inside that also this is a string. Okay, we'll give a list name h list. Okay, like this, equal to new array list. Okay, array list. This name. Okay. So list also we need to import from Java utils. This also we need to import from Java utils. Okay. Now we will create one function that will help us to find out the correct window, and we will switch to that particular window. So we will give the function name as switch to the right window. Okay, we'll create one function which is switch to right window, passing the window title. So we need to know the title of that particular window and all the Windows ID in the list. We will search it, and so we need to switch to the windows where we don't know. If we don't know where to go, that this method will tell you. Okay, so we will create one method. Okay. Which is outside the main method. It should be outside the main method. Okay. Okay, so it is list we have created, correct? So this is hmm. Okay, we have directly switched it. We have not created any method here. I'll just, you know, just a second. Huh? I'll just try to execute this and just check that whether it is working or not. Okay. That's why you have to read again and again so that you don't forget what I thought I have learned it, but
Yeah.
that's a misconception. You have to revise it again and again. Then only it will be, yeah. So it is switching from one window to another, correct? And it is closing
Mhm.
also. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the, okay. So it is giving you all the title. So what we will do, we will find out the title of all the links which we have opened. Okay, with the help of title, we will switch from one window to another window. Okay, so I'll just explain this program to you, then we will do it in the our main program. So here, till here we are done. We have created a list of arrays. Okay, now for string E H list. Okay, so we have created, this is user defined H list, whatever you want, you can create. And we have stored this in a, okay, so we have stored this in a string E. Okay, now for any particular, whichever you want to switch. Okay, so just give the title of that particular window. You will store that title of that particular window into this name as title. Okay, you have to print also that, so that you know that where you want to switch to that particular title. It will, okay, it will for every each and every um, what you say, whatever links we have opened 4 links. So all the 4 uh, title will be, it will come in the console. correct? So all the four title will come in the console. So if the title has LinkedIn, so this is the title. So if the title is there, so we have to we have to click that we have the correct window and we'll go to that particular
Hmm.
um, window. Okay, it will switch to that particular window. And for again for H list, this is the E as H list. So window E, okay. So, okay, this is for LinkedIn and this is for YouTube. Okay, so I'll just call, what you say, comment this YouTube. First, we'll go to the LinkedIn only. Okay, this LinkedIn window, we will switch to LinkedIn window and then
Mhm.
we'll just check. Okay, or else what we'll do, we'll just copy this for loop from here to here in our program, whatever we have done. Okay, and then we'll check here. Okay. It is opening and it should go to the LinkedIn. No, it is going to the Twitter
Facebook. Yeah.
and then LinkedIn. Okay, it is just checking that
First,
for all it is checking and then it is going to finally into the LinkedIn. We'll just check the output. So first it is going to Facebook. What is this profile X? We have to check that what are the titles of this. Facebook has Facebook. This has sign up for LinkedIn. So you know where is the title, right? Title is sign up LinkedIn. So here is it coming? Sign, no, it's not coming. Orange LinkedIn, it is coming. Okay, orange LinkedIn, correct. Okay, and this maybe I've opened something wrong. I'll just close everything and open once again. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll open this, and open this. Okay, so first was LinkedIn. So LinkedIn has a title, Orange HRM LinkedIn. So whether it is coming that Orange HRM LinkedIn, correct. Okay, next second one is Facebook, only Facebook. Oh, this much big is the Facebook. Then Twitter is Orange HRM exam, correct. So Orange HRM in bracket it is Orange HRM and then X. So this is the profile X. Okay, Orange HRM profile X like that. Okay, so these are four and next one is YouTube. Where is YouTube? One, two, three. Okay. Okay. One more thing we can do. If you wanted to know the title, just go inspect, Control F and search for the title. Okay. So if you see title of the page is this. So why all the titles have not been. Hmm. This is for HR. The whole thing should come here also. If you inspect and you search for title, this is coming. In this it was coming, right? No, here also it was not coming. Okay. But whatever is coming here, you need to give it to give it here. If title contains this, then it will open that page. Okay. Suppose if this is the title, okay, and you wanted to open, what is this? Facebook, right? This is, no, this is a Twitter. So if you want to open Twitter, you need to write here this title, and then if you execute, it will open you Twitter. So whatever title you are pasting here, accordingly, you have to search it for the page, and then with the help of the title, it will open that particular page. So now if you see, it is checking every link, but it should open Twitter. So it is opening Twitter. The last is Twitter. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Yes. So whatever
Yeah.
your title you're getting, if suppose I'll check with YouTube also. Okay. So if we want to open the YouTube, and YouTube is, I think, first one or last one, whatever, last one. So
Last one.
it should, that's why it is coming first. Oh, this is YouTube now.
Orange, I am saved.
But now what about, oh, it all depends on which you are searching, yeah? That it, no, should not. Yeah, this should be the, okay, we'll check with Orange HRM, what it will open. If it contains Orange HRM, then what it will open. So basically, what is the idea here? You open that site and do the different activity in that particular site. It's not just to open that, but do that different activity, or whatever action you have to take when you are opening that particular site, and then again switch back to that, switch to your expected site. Getting my point? So currently it is opening. Okay, it is a parent, what do you say? It's a parent window. So Orange HRM is a parent window. So if it is containing that, it is not printing other. Okay, it's like that. It is switching back to the parent window. Okay. Now if I have to switch to, so what I have to do, I'll just Control X this, Control S, and then this is how we can take all the titles, whatever titles we have stored in our H list. Okay, for all the H list, we can have the titles, and then with the help of those titles, we will open the different pages. Okay. Okay. So this is just going to all the different sites and then giving you all the titles of pages. Okay. So this is a parent window. This is whatever, I think Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. So we have all the titles. Now, if title contain YouTube, so it will open the YouTube. Is there any doubt? Okay. So if you have YouTube, go to that particular site, do all the activities, and then again switch to some other site. So that is the okay. So it is C. At the end, it will open YouTube. Clear? Go to the
Yeah.
YouTube. If you have reached to YouTube, do some activities in the YouTube. Then if you want to switch other window, then you have to follow all the activities again. Okay. This much activity again. I guess for loop will also be required, right? Yes. I guess so. So for loop is also required. And then what you will do, you will switch to the other side. Okay. Suppose you wanted to switch to the LinkedIn. After completing your work in the YouTube, you want to switch to LinkedIn. So what you will do? Again, write these commands and then switch to the next window. Firstly, this coming to YouTube, correct? After that, again it will run and it will come to that particular LinkedIn. LinkedIn or what I have given? Yes, LinkedIn I have given. So at the end, it should come in the LinkedIn. See, now at the end, it is coming to LinkedIn. Clear? Now you'll go to the LinkedIn and do all your activities and then again switch to wherever you want to switch. Yes, so this is all about today. If you have any doubt, please tell me. Anyone has any doubt?
Just add the code, ma'am. We'll take a look.
Yes, I'll add this code. Practice it. See, I have practiced so many times. Still, I get confused. So you have to practice each and everything many times to be very confident in front of, interview. So you have to practice again and again. Otherwise, you keep forgetting things like me.
Yeah, right.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So I'll share the